Okay, welcome. Welcome to Math 121, Calculus 1 for fall 2025. This will hopefully be give you the tools you need to have success in sciences, engineering, economics, and other courses. So, what I'd like to do is to first of all, let's get this thing set up. Now that I have this, you can now see my screen, and I want to show you everything that applies. Now, the very first thing right here, the course syllabus is in the first module called Course Resources. And I'll just give you a little bit of the highlights here. This is Math 121. My name is Ali Nanyas. I go by Dr. Nanyas or Mr. Nanyas or Professor Nanyas, or Prof. Nanyas for informal. I don't go by first name. There's my email. Please put Math 121, M121 or Math 121 in the subject line because I get a lot of spam. I tend to disconnect after hours. So if there's a response required or needed, you'll get it the next business day. Well, office hours were basically 1 hour right after class every day. Then I do have some afternoon office hours from 3 to 4 on Tuesday, 2 to 3 on Thursday, and also by appointment. My office is Bradley 452, but on occasion, let's say the weather's nasty or it's snowing as it might sometime, or you're under the weather or whatever, we can do a Zoom office hour from time to time, but these are in-person office hours. The text is Essential Calculus, second edition by Stewart. The ebook is fine. We will be using WebAssign in this course, and I'll go over that in just a second. But yeah, we will be using WebAssign. There's going to be 3 in-class exams. Quizzes, there'll probably be between 3 and 5 of them on Canvas. And the WebAssign homework's worth 10%. And the final is on the first day of finals, first period of finals, 9 to 11, 30%. We will have 3 one-hour exams. Typically, I allow 1 standard sheet of notes. On that, I might loosen that for final exam. And that's the syllabus right there. Now, the other things that are going to be available here, and hopefully this will get there. Now, under course resources, I'm going to be posting the notes. Now, that's the blog that I'm going to be hosting the notes on, but every day I'll be putting the day's notes in the modules that I'll add. So there will be modules below this one with course notes. And the lessons will be recorded and streamed and stored on Panopto Video here. Now, right now it's empty because we don't have any notes. I mean, don't have any lessons here. And I have them sorted by folder. I mean, by date. So you can find what you missed or what you'd like to go over. I have some study tips here, both video form and written. You can watch those at your leisure. As far as a tentative schedule for the course, I've given you a tentative schedule right here, what we plan to cover. We may speed up at times, we may slow down at times. But you can see the sections and the tentative dates for the exams right there. Notice 15 to 17, that's fall break week, so exam will be after fall break. Okay. Now, this is a Zoom invitation for streaming. And again, this is an in-person class, but if you're away on a university-approved event, or let's say you're just feeling bad, you can, or whatever reason, you can always stream, but you won't be able to participate. I turn off interactive tools on the streaming. This is an in-person class. Now, right here, this is how to sign up for WebAssign. You you can click on this and it takes you right to WebAssign and gives you the tools if you haven't done so already. And then one of the things you'll also need is a course key. And the course key is right here. Well, you don't see anything yet. Right there. There's your get signed in. You can just cut and paste this in your browser. And there are the numbers right there. Now, as far as the other things that I have, and these are extra study things which you can use or not use. This Calc View, this has a lot of videos of certain problems. Now, this is not our textbook, but a lot of the problems will be similar, and they have worked out problems that you can follow along here. Calc Chat, there's a lot of worked out examples here that you can do. Again, this is strictly optional if you want extra problems. The Desmos Grapher, this is, I think, very useful to see. So what you do is you click on this to get to the actual tool. And it's a very, very useful tool. Like, for example, suppose you'd like to graph a parabola for whatever reason. You can do that, or you can do whatever you need to do there. I'll be sometimes demonstrating this. I'll be demonstrating this in class on various problems. And then this particular thing here, this open source calculus book, if you want a second reference, this right here is a calculus book that you can use. It's not the official book, but it's an extra book. You can download a PDF of the book for free. And the contents are very, very similar to what we cover. So if you want another source, you can do that. Or let's say you want to have a calculus reference for your courses after this one, well, you can always download this particular calculus book free of charge, and you'll have your own PDF copy. It's handy if, let's say, you need to remember something in a subsequent course. So those are the, let's see right here. So these are the resources available to you. So we'll cover these more. I have a feeling that since you're going to be getting a lot of such videos, a lot of such introductions, you might forget something, but you always can find what you need on our Canvas page. Canvas page will have our quizzes. It will have our in fact, let me show you where the quizzes are. You might know, but if you don't know, I screwed that up. That'll inspire confidence, won't it? But right here, this. Now, the first quiz, it'll be posted on day 1. That's when it'll open. And this prerequisite material quiz is just something to get you going, get you thinking about math. It is due on September 3rd, 20 points, 20 questions. And it's sort of to get you in the right frame of mind and remind you of some of what you need to know so you can master calculus. So it's stuff that would have seen in your pre-calculus course, whether in college or in high school. So I hope we have an exciting semester. I think we will. We'll learn something. We'll have to work hard, but hopefully we'll have a good time in the process. So looking forward to seeing you.